Today we're going to make an old-fashioned. However, we're going to make it with El Jimador Reposado. Let's get started. So in a previous video, you watched us make a Reposado old-fashioned. However, we used 1800 Reposado. Today we're going to use something different, but make sure you check out that video, and we're going to put a link right about up here somewhere. But again, today, instead of 1800 Reposado, we're going to use El Jimador Reposado. So we just went to a restaurant recently that uses the El Jimador Reposado on most of their margaritas. So we're going to give this one a try and see if we can come up with the same results. So the other part to it is we're going to use Angostura bitters. We're also going to use Angostura orange bitters and sugar-free simple syrup. Again, this drink is it's pretty easy to make, so let's get started. All right, first we're going to start off with our 2 ounces of the El Jimador. Then we're going to add a 1/4 ounce of simple syrup. That was definitely more than a 1/4 ounce, so I'm going to eye it a little bit. There you go. One dash of orange bitters. And 1 dash of regular Angostura bitters. Lastly, we're going to give it a quick stir. And then garnish it with a lime peel. And of course, we're going to give it a try. Oh yeah, that's good. In our last video, what's the last video? What am I making? An old-fashioned?
I know it won't solve my problem, but I know it makes a difference. One more sip and I'ma fix it. Out my body when I'm tempted.